Today we're going to learn how to evaluate algebraic equations that are one step. Equations have equal signs. And remember, expressions do not. For an example, an equation 7 plus 8 equals 10 versus what an expression would look like x plus 4. Inverse, we're going to be hearing that a lot, and that means opposite operation. Addition and subtraction are inverses, and multiplication and division are inverses. Your goal when you are working with equations is to isolate the variable. That means we're trying to get the variable by itself so that we know what it equals. There are 4 steps to every problem. First, you will draw a balance beam down from the equal sign. The balance beam will look something like this, down from the equal sign. So the equal sign will be in it. Second, you will look for the variable. Remember, those are all letters, and there's always going to be a mathematical operation with it. Today we're going to strictly stick with adding and subtracting, but you're looking for the mathematical operation. Then you will do the inverse operation to both sides of the equal sign. That's the opposite operation. And then you can always check your answers by substituting what you get as the value of the variable. We're going to do the 2 middle examples, so the m plus 4 equals 17 and the j minus 7 equals 13. First step says to draw the balance beam down from the equal sign. Now, your variable can be, for the second step, it can be on the left-hand side of the equal sign, or it can be on the right. You need to look for it. It doesn't matter where it is. It's not always going to be on the same side of that equal sign. So the second step, look for the variable. There will be a mathematical operation with it. We have an m with a plus 4. And I'm going to do the opposite operation of that, so I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides of that balance beam. Inverses will cancel because a positive 4 minus a minus 4 will give you nothing. You're left with m equals 17 minus 4 is 13. When you check the number, you replace the value of what you think m is based on your solution, and see, is 13 plus 4 17? It is. Therefore, m does equal 13. One other example, j minus 7 equals 13. Balance beam down from the equal sign. I look for the variable. J is the variable, and it has a minus 7 with it, which means I will add 7 to both sides of the balance beam this time. Inverses cancel. I'm left with j equals 13 plus 7 is 20. Check it. Is 20 minus 7 equal to 13? Yes.